HT Technologies provides quality IT products and consultancy services. HP introduces the new OfficeJet Pro printers for SMBs in India. ASUS fortifies its pan-India retail strategy with launch of new Pegasus Store in Noida. ViewSonic launches PX749 4K, a complete home entertainment projector for Indian users. Canon installs 2 new imagePRESS V1350 machines in New Delhi. MSI, Intel, and AMD motherboards now fully support up to 256 GB of memory capacity. Samsung Galaxy B00K4 series goes on sale in India. MediaTek unveils T3005 5G RedCap platform for IoT and extremely low-power devices. AMD announces AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE graphics card global availability. Hikvision helped ODM Educational Group achieve digitalization success with interactive display solution. Please visit www.ncnonline.net to read full reports.